Hey YouTube viewers, I made the plunge. I went and got myself a 84 Chevy Silverado in fabulous condition. Just right for my application for doing an LS swap. Just come to check out a couple of details here. I was just curious how rough shape this was in. As you can see, there is some work that needs to be done. I'm going to need new inners, new inner fenders. I'm going to need new outer fenders. I'm going to need quarter panels, both sides, possibly a door skin. I haven't decided yet. The box I don't think I'm really going to touch. Might patch it. Do some work on the wheels. That'd be it. That would be the Chevy Silverado LS swap project in its infancy. Still in the planning stages. Still trying to get some parts. I don't know how easy this is going to be to repair, but there is solid metal in here, and there is rotten metal in here. There's only one gas tank in the truck. This gas cap is really rough getting on and off. I think I have to replace the whole gas tank. There's the gas tank there. Yeah, exhaust is leaking. It's a 6-cylinder, but it runs. It works and it runs. The lights are in good shape. The bumper is in good shape. The tailgate's in good shape. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. I brought it to a body shop. A buddy of mine's going to be working on it. I'm probably going to take these badges off. Probably take them off right now. Not much holding it on. In you go. In you go. Okay, stay tuned, YouTube. LS project.